You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. French politician. If you want to learn more confusing names from French politic, make sure to stay tuned. Member of the European Parliament. French pronunciation Marion Maréchal. She used to be named or known as Marion Maréchal Le Pen, because she's related to Jean-Marie Le Pen and Marine Le Pen, the Le Pen family. Marion Maréchal Le Pen, or Marion Maréchal. Marion Maréchal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.